Are you worried about what I was doing? Are you a cop? Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z. Good to see you, sir. All right, Z. You know what we're doing today? You like burritos, right?
Yeah, I.
And you like cheesesteaks.
Oh, I love cheesesteaks.
What if I told you I found a cheesesteak burrito? Yeah.
Cheesesteak burrito?
Cheesesteak burrito.
Like a burrito in a cheesesteak?
Or a cheesesteak inside of a burrito.
The whole sandwich in a burrito?
Minus the bread.
Minus the bread.
But add french fries. And what if I told you it's only down the street?
Really?
Yeah, man. If we really wanted to, we could be eating in 10 minutes.
Well, then let's get to it.
First, I think we should go see Bob. It's been a bit.
I have an idea. Let's go pick up these sandwiches, then we'll take them to Bob and enjoy a soda while we're at it.
That doesn't sound like a half bad idea. Shit. Cheesesteak burrito. Dream it. Cheesesteak. I've had cheesesteak egg rolls, but I'm not sure I've ever had a cheesesteak burrito. It's gonna be good. Looking forward to this one. Cheesesteak burrito, the place we're going to, we've been there before. I'm not sure when, but I'm sure we've been there in the past. They're known for their monster burritos. We're going to a place called Primos, and the burritos that this place serves, they're massive. They're the size of a baby. So I think what's going to happen, we're going to end up getting their cheesesteak burrito, which I think is called their Philly queso. Now what's in this thing? Steak, onions, peppers, queso, mozzarella cheese, and french fries. So it's kind of their own twist on a cheesesteak. I'm also thinking about ordering a burrito they have called the 619, and that is pretty glorious. I've had that a few times. That's steak, chicken, I think there's french fries in it, and it's got some sort of a spicy chipotle sauce, and it's glorious. So I think what we'll end up doing, we'll just order 2 burritos, and then we'll split them up, and we'll talk about which one we like best. Primos. We're going to Primos. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think there's a couple locations. There's one down in San Diego, and then there's another one in Rancho, Santa Margarita. The one we're going to is Rancho, Santa Margarita, but we're going to take the long way there. See if we can get any good shots. So I'm going to add something new to these videos. Starting now, at the end of every video, I'm going to read over comments from the previous video that I've released. So if you always leave me comments in my videos, definitely stick around to the end of the video. I might read yours. You know what? I left a sticker and a sign on this road. I wonder if somebody ended up getting it. We should check. Remember we put a sticker up there? I don't know if anybody ever got it. You're making it more difficult than it needs to be. Someone got it? Someone got it?
Maybe a squirrel or a bird.
I was going to give this to Bob. This is a patch. It's an iron-on patch.
Ooh. Look at that.
Yeah, nice, huh? You get it on the website, too.
At suburbandelinquent.com.
Yeah, Suburban Delinquent. Hopefully somebody gets it. You think my bike's gonna start?
Nope. Nope.
Okay, give me a push. All right, that was easy.
Oh, that lady's looking at us.
What's up, man? Oh, shit.
Oh, come on. Are you serious?
Are you worried about what I was doing? Are you a cop? What are you volunteering for? Watching the fire? Then why are you watching me? Well, don't worry about me. I don't even have any matches. Or a lighter. What's up, man? How are you? I think she's afraid I'm gonna start a fire or something.
I'm always back on these roads. I've met you a couple of times before and I noticed the bike.
You look familiar.
Yeah, every time I come back here, I'm like, alright, blue Gixxer. It's gotta be somewhere in the canyon, right?
Here you go, man.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Sick car.
Instagram.
Thank you.
You gotta tag us, man.
Should we ask Karen to take a photo of us?
Awesome, thank you so much. Nice meeting you guys again.
Take care. Thanks for watching, man. How long you been watching the videos for?
Probably 3-4 years.
You want to do me a favor?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Nate, let's go. Thanks, sir. What is this? Look at the bird. Uh-oh, that's not good, buddy. I gotta get a new battery, man. Nate, if you're watching this video, thanks for the push. You ever had Primos Z?
I've been by it many times, but I actually have not had it before. There it is.
There it is.
The Philly queso.
As long as there's no mushrooms in it, we're all right. Can we do a Philly queso burrito?
Can we make it a monster burrito?
And then with that, can I do a 619?
Yeah, Philly queso monster burrito and the 619 regular burrito.
Thanks. Thank you so much. Can we get some salsa? Sorry. Oh, you did it. You're the best. Thank you. All right, dude. We got it.
Wow.
Let's go. Come on. All right. This is getting annoying. Lunch with Bob, sort of.
Dude, I don't know how, but a burrito fell out of my bosom.
No way. We lost a burrito?
No, I saved it.
What's up, Bob? Come back for you later. We got food to eat.
So what are we gonna try today?
Chicken cherry cola.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
Hi, Z. Primos. Cheesesteak burrito.
Well, I gotta say, it does have cheese and it does have steak. You made it seem like it was like a Philly cheesesteak, which it's not. It's more like a fajita burrito.
To be fair, they didn't really brand it anything cheesesteak. They called it Philly queso.
Yeah, but that's comparing it to a Philly cheesesteak by using the word Philly.
I kind of went into the whole thing thinking that my burrito was going to taste just like a cheesesteak, and it didn't really. It was like you said. It's more like a fajita burrito. It was all right. I wouldn't order it again.
But the 619, baby.
Yeah, so that was the winner on my plate too.
Yeah, it's the sauce they had in there. I could eat that all day with no salsa, just the way it is. Perfection.
Everything that we ate today, $29.
Yep.
Bummer. I really wish that today was a home run. It wasn't. I was really kind of hoping that this specialty burrito would have killed it. You think this bike's gonna start?
Nope. It didn't start all day. Why would you think it
I don't know. It's definitely not gonna start. Nope. Move. All right, fun day riding around with Z as always. Good food, motorcycles, friends. Can't beat that, man. I got the best job in the world, and I have you guys to thank for that, especially you Patreons. Really appreciate your support, and I need it. I do need it, so thanks. Want to remind you guys, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Encourage you to go check that out. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. You know, key tags, t-shirts, hats, stickers, that sort of thing. You'll also find detailed lists of everything that I use to make these videos possible. So go over there and check that out. Please support the channel partners. You know what I'm talking about. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. Good group, man. See you guys next time. Later. For those of you guys that watched and commented on my last video, here's some of the recent comments. Top comment, Dr. Ron. I know the secret. You and Z are getting married. Finally, I know you guys broke up, but true love always reconnects. Let's read a couple more. Look at Z rocking that Gnome Nation shirt. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, I actually got that shirt as a gift from the one and only Jake the Garden Snake.
M3 Vader. I'm moving to Southern California, and I have a list of places to try from watching your channel. I'm interested. How many of you people watching these videos actually go to the places and try the food? I bet there's a good number of people.
I'm actually curious, yeah.
Yeah, let us know. We're curious. Auckland 357. Try not to kill Z every time you eat, and maybe he'll stick around this time. I haven't tried to kill you in a long time, Z.
Maybe that's why I'm sticking around.
Because I'm not trying to kill you?
Yeah.
All H650. Hi, sub. Do you love the content? Keep it up. Sending mad love from the UK. All right, man. I appreciate that. Let's do one more. Wild Deuce. Oh, man. Those burritos look good. Damn, sub D. Living the life. Love the new shots you got. The rear wheel cam was fire. Need to mount on the front, too. Do a run on some twisties. Kind of really not the twisty guy these days.